Hi, I'm Lemon, North Korea.
And I'm Fleetway Super Bumblebee Bird. And today, we're going to yell at Fiji and hurt her feelings. Ha 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 ha.
Hey, Fiji. Get out of here right now. We don't want to see your foolish face anymore.
I agree, Lemon, North Korea. Now, get your ass out of here and go kill yourself, you bitch.
Why you both? Why? Why would you do this to me? You just hurted my feelings. Now look at me, I'm crying and upset.
Yes. We yelled and hurt Fiji's feelings.
I agree, Lemon, North Korea serves her right for getting Dark Football Boss and Dark Football Princess in trouble for calling her an attention seeker.
Oh, Sphincter. It's Malta. We're in big trouble now.
Oh my god. Lemon, North Korea and Fleetway Super Bumblebee Bird. I can't believe you yelled at Fiji and hurt her feelings. You knows that is rude of you to say that to Fiji. Now she's crying and upset, and me and the other countries will have to cheer her up, all thanks to you. That's it. I'm calling your parents for what you did to Fiji. Go home right now.
Lemon, North Korea. We can't believe you yelled at Fiji and hurt her feelings. You know you can't hurt someone's feelings like that. That is rude of you to say that to her.
That's it. You're grounded for 12 days.
Now get your sour butt upstairs to your room right now.
Fleetway Super Bumblebee Bird. I can't believe you and Lemon, North Korea yelled at Fiji and hurt her feelings. You should be ashamed of yourself for that. That's it. For what you did to Fiji, you are grounded for 19 days. Go to your room right now.
What? Ah.